In a small village, a boy spins tales of fierce wolves lurking in the shadows, claiming they threaten his home. Day after day, his stories grow taller, until the villagers grow weary of his fabrications. But one fateful night, as he gazes into a mirror, he remembers the legend. Say the name 3 times to test the truth. And as he speaks the legend's name, a chill fills the air, and the line between reality and fantasy begins to blur. Suddenly, a real wolf appears, prowling silently through the village, making the boy's fears all too vivid. Will the villagers believe him now, or will he face the consequences of his deceptions?